Hi everyone, my name is Samala and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Let's get started. To prepare chicken dum biryani, we need 500 grams of chicken, 400 grams of basmati rice. It serves 5 to 6 people and 6 to 7 number onions, 1 cup of curd, coriander powder as needed, ginger garlic paste as needed, salt, turmeric, chili powder and wide variety of spices which includes cinnamon, japatri, star anise, green cardamom, black cardamom, Marathi muggu, peppercorns, shahi jeera. You can find the list of ingredients in the description below. We need mint and coriander leaves, 1 lemon and a carrot which is very optional. We need garam masala, green chilli and another set of spices to go into the marination. To enhance the flavor of the biryani, we add rose water, kevra water and ghee. Finally, for the decoration purpose, you can use 1 boiled egg. To start with, we will soak the basmati rice. Make sure you will use good quality of basmati rice without any dirt and pellets. Wash and soak the rice for about 1 hour before you start preparing the biryani. After soaking the rice, we'll start frying the onions. For that, we need to chop the onions lengthwise. We need these onions to go into the marination and the layering the chicken and rice as well. Pour generous amount of oil into the pan and heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated, add chopped onions and fry them until they are chocolate brown and crispy. We need to stir them occasionally so that they will cook evenly. Once the onions are fried, we'll take them out of the oil and cool them in the room temperature. Now marinate the chicken. Squeeze 1 lemon into the chicken. We are adding the lemon first because it infuses all the flavors into the chicken very well. And chicken will be tender. We will add salt, turmeric and chili powder and then massage it well. To this we will add coriander powder, garam masala powder, spices and ginger garlic paste. Mix all of these ingredients well. Massaging the chicken is very important. Let's add 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Curd keeps the moisture inside the chicken and makes it very tender. To this, add fried onions and mint and coriander leaves. Mix them well. Marinate this chicken for about 30 minutes to 2 hours. The more it marinates, the more tastier it will become. Once the chicken is marinated enough, we will start boiling enough water to cook soaked basmati rice. Once the water is boiled, we will add 3 tablespoons of salt, mixed spices, green chilies, soaked basmati rice, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Allow this rice to cook until it is 3/4 done. Stir it occasionally. When the rice is almost done, we will start layering the chicken onto the bottom of non-stick pan. Layer the chicken evenly across the bottom of the pan. To this, we will add 1 tablespoon of ghee, fried onion, and chopped coriander and mint leaves. To this, we will add remaining curd so that we will finish off the first layer of the chicken. Now strain the rice and spread it over the top of the chicken. Spread half of the rice and top it with fried onions, mint and coriander leaves. And 1 tablespoon of ghee. Repeat the process with the remaining rice. To enhance the flavor, we will add 1 teaspoon of kevra water, 1 teaspoon of rose water onto the top of spreaded rice. And finish it off with ghee. Here I am adding saffron milk, which is optional, but it adds taste to the biryani. Once the rice is layered, place a sheet of aluminum foil over the pan. This is the actual dum process, which ensures all the ingredients are cooked evenly and the flavors of all the spices is infused to the rice and the chicken. Place the lid on top of aluminum foil and tuck it well. Cook the ingredients for about 10 minutes in medium flame and then reduce the flame to minimum and cook it for another 20 minutes. After this, switch off the stove and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. Ensure that lid is not open for another 10 minutes. Tasty chicken dum biryani is ready now. You can serve this biryani with raita or your favorite curry. I have prepared mutton curry to go with it today. I will post the recipe for mutton curry soon. I have also posted the recipe in my blog. Link is given below in the description. Please visit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.